Welcome back to the homesteader, everyone. Welcome back to our garden. Tonight we're in front of our melon patch, and we're going to be highlighting two American cantaloupe seed varieties for you, both from Baker Creek. One is called Cicada Sweet, and the other one is Sierra Gold. Now, we usually buy our seeds from either Territorial Seed Company or Baker Creek. These happen to be both from Baker Creek, and both of them are doing incredibly well in our garden this year. Hey, a quick interjection. When I'm talking in the video about our two American muskmelons or American cantaloupes, I am actually misspeaking. I called one Cicada Sweet, and it's not. This is a Cicada Sweet, an awesome little miniature melon. The other one is called Sweet Passion. So every time I say Cicada Sweet, I meant Sweet Passion. I was out there filming at the same time both melon videos, and I misspoke. So every time, I'll put it in the video in writing, it's actually Sweet Passion versus Sierra Gold. Like I said, they're both growing incredibly well. We haven't seen any issue with either of these melon varieties in how they grow in the garden. But there are some differences in shape and texture and taste that you need to know about. So we're going to pick a few of these babies, we're going to take them inside, and we're going to do a taste test for you. Hopefully this taste test will help you decide which melon is best for your garden. So let's head on inside and take a look at the difference between these two melons. Okay, let's do a taste test on our featured melons here. And on the right side, or my right side, as I'm facing this way, so it'd be your right side, is the Sierra Gold, and over here is the Cicada Sweet. Both from Baker Creek, as we had mentioned before, and let's do that taste test. First, the Cicada Sweet. Oh man, ridiculously sweet, very good. Of course, all that's going to depend on your soil, but if you have good soil, you're going to achieve the greatest result from your melon. This one is very, very juicy, very creamy, very smooth. It's kind of like melting in your mouth. It's unbelievable. I absolutely love it. Now let's go in for some of the Sierra Gold. Also a very good melon. And this one is totally different. It's amazing how these American cantaloupes or muskmelons can be different. But this one is more firm. And it is definitely not as sweet. And the texture is not as smooth or creamy than the Cicada Sweet. It's a really solid melon. But you know, in my opinion, this Cicada Sweet is unbelievable. And in terms of its productivity, it's been way more productive than our Sierra Gold. And they are planted in the same soil, very near to one another. So, and they get the same amount of water, all that. So the conditions are the same for both of them. I highly recommend the Cicada Sweet. You find it on their website. Unbelievable melon. And as you could see, the cicadas are smaller and they're more round, and the Sierra Golds are more of a football shaped and quite a bit larger. So you are yielding maybe even 1.5 times to 2 times as much with the Sierra Gold. But again, the production will make up for that. So you're getting maybe even relatively the same amount. My opinion, Cicada Sweet. That's ridiculously good. I could stand here all day long and eat this. Seriously. I'm going to devour these whole things. If you like this type of video, hey, let us know in the comment section below. And thank us by subscribing. We'd appreciate you being here on a permanent basis on the channel. Have a great day. And don't forget to go visit us at countrylivingexperience.com and visit our tool store, read our blog. Also, come visit us next week as we put out a video every Tuesday. Thank you. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.